Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, water signs and earth signs. Okay, so check natin kung ini-stalk ka pa ba ni ex mo and why. Okay, so excuse me. So before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yes, available ang ating Evil Eye Protection, okay, ring, necklace, bracelets. Okay? So, yung ring natin is adjustable, so don't you worry pagdating sa sizes. And yung ating love bracelet, so ito siya. Available to. And pwede sa single to ha. Mostly single lang nakuha nito. And yung atin pong tawag dyan, granter necklace. So si granter, this is available kasi this is made to order. Okay? So made to order siya and this is unisex. Okay? So non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches yung kanyang chain, 20 inches long. And yung ating cord cut. Okay? So, si cord cutting is pagkakat ng mga hindi na kailangang energy na nakakapit pa sa'yo, kaya ikaw itong parang nahihirapang umusad. All in all, burden. No? Energies na hindi na dapat nandyan pa. Okay? So, pasensya na po ha. Talagang ako ay may ubo pa rin hanggang ngayon. Oo, so let's see. Let's check. Unahin natin ang water signs. Okay. Water signs. So, Cancer. Cancer placements. Some of you might be dealing with aqua. With an Aquarius. Ini-stalk ka ba ni ex mo, Cancer? Ini-stalk ka ba niya? And why? Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups. I think, andun yung energy na ini-stalk ka nito. May panghihinayang, may loneliness. Okay? Some of them, they're too busy, focusing on their career, business, okay? Job, studies, pamamera. Some of them na tawag dyan, naapektuhan yung pamemera niya. Some of them hindi pa rin totally healed. Okay? Hirap tong taong to ngayon. Sa totoo lang. Excuse me. Okay, so hang on. Ano bang meron? Ba't kanya ini-stalk aside doon sa mga nakita natin? Hindi pa siya naka-move on. Ano pa? Ano pang dahilan bakit kanya ini-stalk? Bakit kanya ini-stalk water? Oh my gosh. Okay, so may dalawang nalaglag. Okay, the Eight of Swords. So marami itong gustong malaman. Marami siyang tanong. Page of Cups Universe. Well, mas sinasabi talaga dito na hindi pa rin totally ready na mag-let go tong person. Okay? Hindi pa ready. Alam niyang sobrang mahirap. Sobrang malulungkot siya. Dumaranas na nga siya eh. Some of them palagi ka nasa utak ng taong to. See the lovers, they feel a strong connection with you. Felt a strong connection. Or maybe feeling pa rin a strong connection with you. Okay? Yung iba sa kanila, meron silang mga gustong sabihin. There's this message, like a simple or isang message na parang kailangan niyang isend pero they can't. They want to reach you out. They're stuck. Okay, so there. Page of Pentacles. Again, that's message. So next, Scorpio. Ini-stalk ka ba ni ex mo? And why? Ini-stalk ka pa ba ni ex mo? and why. Seven of Swords in reverse. Justice. Some of them, sabihin natin tanggap na nila yung sitwasyon kung anong meron sa inyo. Tanggap na nila na okay na. So, for me, medyo, masasabi kong hindi na to nag-i-stock. Kasi iba sa kanila, okay na. So, okay na sila. Pwedeng Libra, pwedeng air sign. Parang ibinabalanse na nito yung buhay niya muli. Okay? Bakit? Yeah, the Page of Wands. And the Ten of Swords, yeah. This is healing. Some of them, they're healed. Kaya hindi na para tingnan-tingnan, ni-stock ka, or ipagtatanong ka pa, parang ganyan. Hindi na. Para kasi nga they're starting like a fresh new start. They're having a fresh new start, clean fresh slate, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Facing new energies, parang ganyan. And accepting everything kung anong meron. Okay? This is totally energy of healing. Maybe they're healed. Okay? They're healed. Yeah, death. No time for past energies like that. So there. Some of them, they're busy person. Yeah, they're a busy person. So next, Pisces. So checking lang tayo kung ini-stock ka pa ba ni X. Pisces placements. Yeah, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pisces. Ini-stock ka ba? Or ini-stock ka pa rin ba ni X? And why? Okay. The Moon in reverse, that's you. Okay. Nine of Cups. I think, yeah. Pero they're trying to heal. Papunta na sila sa healing. So, nandun yung energy na parang nagmo-move on na tong taong to. Masasabi kong hindi ka na masyado tinitingnan. Pero, yeah, every time na malulungkot, every time na magiging alone siya, yun, doon siya magtitingin, doon siya magtatanong, no? Pero every time na okay naman siya, doing good, happy, yan, wala na. Parang ganon. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Hindi malabo. Yung iba sa kanila, merong bago. Meron ng bago. Ang tingin nito, some of you, may bago ka na rin. So, let's see. Death. Yeah, the Three of Cups. So, it's like, bakit ko pa i-stock? Bakit ko pa ipagtatanong? Alam ko naman na parang wala na rin. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo. Yun nga. Itong taong to is already connected na. And kayo rin, some of you. Okay? Pero sa tingin ko, ikaw yung best. Ikaw yung naging best para sa kanya. Yeah. You're trying to heal. Mahirap. Oo, dumaan to sa hindi maganda talaga. No, I think dinaanan niya yung totoong process ng healing. Yeah. Sa ngayon, wala na eh. Wala akong nakikita ditong energy ng gusto pa niyang ng reconciliation or what. Reunite, reconnection, wala. Totally, they want to heal from this. So it's like they're helping themselves. Okay? Na mag-move on. Yeah. totoong process ng healing. Some of you, ikaw yung gumagawa nito from this person. Pwedeng baliktad. Okay? So, there. Yeah. So, next. Okay. Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, i-stock ka pa rin ba ni X? Earth signs. So, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Ini-stock ka pa ba? So, unahin natin si Taurus. Ini-stock ka pa ba ng ex mo, Taurus? And why? The Five of Wands. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. I think so. I think so. The Three of Swords is here. The Hanged Man. Yeah. Some of you, this is like, sabihin natin recent lang nangyari yung breakup or separation. Yeah. Feeling the missed opportunity with you. There's a lot of drama surrounding them. Yeah. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Niisto ka pa nito. Ang dami naman panghihinayang ng person sa'yo. Yeah, the Page of Swords, they're stalking you. Some of them, kaya kayo ni-stalk, marami pa siyang gustong malaman. Maraming gustong itanong. They're looking for something. I don't know kung anong hinahanap nito. Okay. What's with this Page of Swords? Yeah, meron tong gustong malaman. Gusto niya communication. Kung hindi ka nakikipag-usap sa kanila, istok hanggang sa may malaman. Hindi ko alam kung ano. There's this drama. Some of you, dinrap mo to. Tinalikuran mo. Tinitingnan kung baka ganto, ganyan, baka may baka, whatsoever. Okay? Nga, the Four of Wands, universe. Tinitingnan kung ano bang dahilan, bakit ka nakipaghiwalay or what. Hindi ko alam kung sapat ba ang mga napag-usapan ninyo bago kayo mag-end. Pero parang meron pa rin siya hinahanap. Kaya ganyan. Excuse me. Okay? So there. Some of you might be dealing with an air sign, earth, and fire. This could be any sign. Okay. Next. So, checking lang kung ini-stalk ka pa ba ni person. I mean, ex. So, next is Virgo. Virgo, ini-stalk ka pa ba ni ex? And bakit? Ini-stalk ka pa ba ni ex? Oh. Could be an Aquarius. The Star in reverse. Excuse me. The Tower in reverse. I think, yeah. Nakakuha ko ng energy na itong taong to umiinom. Virgo, umiinom siya. Yeah, this is you. This is your energy. So, let's see, bakit kanya ini-stalk? So, maybe you're the Empress or Emperor. They see you as their other half. Mga ganon. Okay, the Knight of Swords in reverse. The Magician. They still want you. They still want you. Kung ito naghahanap ng iba, hindi siya makakita ng tulad mo. Yeah, some of them, they're playing the field right now. Okay? They're being patient. Like impatient. Ang dami niyang gustong malaman. My gosh. They want communication. Some of them, they're manifesting you back. They're manifesting a conversation with you. I don't know. Some of you, there's this blockages. Yeah. Five of Cups. You're still regretting something. Okay, pwedeng may nire-regret sila or yeah, ayaw nila manghinayang. Nanghihinayang sila sa'yo. They need you. They know they need you. Yeah. Some of you, naging matagal kayo nitong taong to. Anyway, yun lang. So, it's a yes. Next. Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorn placements. Ini-stock ka pa ba ni ex mo? Capricorn. At bakit? Tingnan natin. Ini-stock ka pa ba ni ex? At bakit? Capricorn. Capricorn. Okay. The King of Pentacles in reverse. The Magician. Yeah. For me, yeah. Yeah. The Hangman. May pag-i-stock. Some of them, they're not doing good pagdating sa finances. Okay? Kasi yung focus parang nasa iyo pa rin. Mas lamang. Okay? They're like doing everything. Some of them, yeah, they're manifesting you. Death. Six of Swords. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo to, they're running away. Okay? Pero, they're still looking at you. They're still looking at you like, diba? Like that. Yeah, there's this talking energy coming from your ex. Then, why? Bakit? Bakit kanya ini-stock pa? Capricorn. Iba sa inyo, tumalikod ka sa kanya or inalisan mo siya. Maybe they're not ready. Meron tayong King of Pentacles dito eh. Maybe that's you. Okay? So, the Fool in reversed. Oh. What's with that? Bakit kanya ini-stock? The Devil in reversed. The Tower. The Two of Pentacles. Pakiramdam nito nilaro mo siya. Capricorn. Pakiramdam niya nilaro mo siya, ginamit mo siya. Pwedeng tinitingnan niya kung anong meron. Kung totoo ba, kung ano ba yung dahilan ng pagtalikod mo. Parang ganun. Yeah, the Queen of Cups, he still love you. They still love you. Capricorn, parang ikaw yung nagbigay ng unconditional love dito sa taong to. Now, they don't know what to do without you. Their life is a mess. Yeah. Their life is a mess. Some of them, they're like, sabihin natin, nagja-juggle pagdating sa message ko ba si Capricorn or not. Yeah. Hindi kaya ng taong tong wala ka, Capricorn. May pagpaplano ako nakikita from them. I don't know kung anong plano to. Okay? So, there. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Some of you, meron ditong age gap, age difference. Hindi sila ready. Nung iniwan mo sila, hindi sila ready. Specific yun. Kung ikaw yung umiwan dito, Capricorn, hindi sila ready dun. Hindi nila kaya without you. Some of them, they're immature. Yeah. Anyway, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Water signs and earth signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.